In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a template in ClickUp. If your workspace is getting cluttered with outdated or duplicate templates, cleaning them up can make building new projects faster and clearer for everyone on your team. A quick reminder before we start, templates in ClickUp are reusable blueprints for things like spaces, folders, lists, or tasks. Deleting one removes that blueprint from your workspace, so you won't see it as an option the next time you try to create something from a template. First, open your ClickUp account. Make sure you're in the correct workspace where the template lives, especially if you're part of multiple workspaces. It also helps to verify you have the right permissions. Some organizations limit who can remove items like templates. If you're not seeing what you expect, you might be in a different workspace or lack the necessary access. Next, navigate to the specific space that holds the template you want to remove. In ClickUp, a space is the broad area on the sidebar that contains your folders, lists, and tasks. Click into that space so you're looking at the area associated with the template. This is important because templates are often organized in the same places where they're used, and going straight to the correct space will keep you from deleting the wrong thing. Take a moment to confirm you're in the right space and that the template you're targeting is the one no longer needed by your team. Now, find the template's name and look for the three dots, often called the More or Options menu, right next to it. Click those three dots and choose Delete. This tells ClickUp you want to remove that template from the workspace. Pay close attention to what you're selecting here. The three dots appear in many places in ClickUp, including next to spaces, folders, lists, and tasks. Make absolutely sure you're opening the menu for the template itself, not the entire space or a live project item. If you see a prompt asking you to confirm, read it carefully so you understand that you're removing the template only. Deleting a template is typically permanent and affects everyone in the workspace who might rely on it. That's all it takes. Open your account, go to the specific space where your template sits, click the three dots next to the template, and select Delete. Keeping your template library tidy helps your team move faster and reduces confusion when starting new work. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you streamline your ClickUp setup.